This is Series 1, Episode 16. I'm going to be talking about Nio Limited, ticker symbol NIO. I have talked about Nio previously in Episode 7. When I was talking about Nio, I said this could be a breakout stock and one for the longer term, but I also said that I was in the stock previously and I got out because of the general market conditions. I was a bit nervous about the general market conditions, and I was correct. As you can see, I said that we may see a retest of this support area here, and we are. We're seeing that today. Let me clean that up. Now, in my previous video, I'll just draw it in quickly. I talked about this basing pattern, and then this kind of flag formation, and then price action up and down. You get the point. So this is a support area, and today we've clearly broken the support. So this does look a little bit dangerous, to be honest. But let me show you something else. I'm going to show you a different chart. 1 minute. This is the Nasdaq daily. Each bar is 1 day on the Nasdaq. This was the resistance point where the main high, previous high was, and price broke out and got above the high. And now this is acting as a support area, basically the floor for the Nasdaq. Now it could of course break down, but at the moment you can see this wick of this candle went down, and then a lot of buyers came back into the market trying to hold this up. But it's not just the Nasdaq, guys. If we look at the Dow Jones, exactly the same. S&P 500, exactly the same. So all the US indices, the main indices, are doing the same thing. They're finding support and testing the support. So the general stock market is doing the same. So just bear that in mind. Now let me go back to the Nio chart. I draw this, I'll try and make it a straight line. Oh, I can't. I just can't do it with this doodle button. But you get the idea, guys. That is support. This price bar is below that area. But I think that's just professionals taking out weak traders, because a lot of novices will put their stop loss too close to the previous low, and the institutional traders know all of these little tricks. They often do that. You'll see this all the time, where you'll see a support area, they push it lower just to take out stop losses, then it goes higher again. All the time it happens. Just keep your eye on it. It's after 15 years of trading, I've seen all sorts of tactics from these professionals, and yeah, they'll do anything to get your money, believe me. So I think personally, if we can see price at $57, which is above today's high, that will validate a high probability buy signal, but only if you take out that high. If price continues lower, forget it. It's not, for now anyway, it's going lower. But again, I have talked about holding this for the longer term. It's entirely up to you guys. Is this the next Tesla? I don't know, but I'm just trying to explain my analysis. If $57, you need to see price back at $57 to validate a buy signal. And then if that does happen in the next few days, that's a potential buy. Stop loss down here, out of the way, nice and clear of any previous support, and then that's your trade. Now that's an emergency stop loss, because just to get you out of the trade. I don't personally like short-term trading. As I've said numerous times, I prefer longer term. So it's entirely up to you guys, but that's what I believe might happen. $57, stop loss down here. And then where could it go? Price could eventually, go up to retest the high, which is there. And if it breaks that high, then you could potentially see the same move again. This consolidation and bang, straight up again. So it does look nice, guys, this Nio for a potential buy, but it's not validated yet. So just bear that in mind and keep your eye on the major indices, particularly the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is the technology stocks index. So what the Nasdaq's doing is important to your stocks if you're invested in the likes of Nio. So hopefully you found this useful, guys. Let me just quickly draw that back in again so you understand. See what I mean? This is like a kind of flag, and we might do this. Who knows? But good luck, guys. This is a very nice looking stock if we can get this buy opportunity. Speak to you soon.